omukoro ogu gwaba Palm Heights Hotel omuruti kandi gwahikwa abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe okurwa omupolisi hamwe n'ahandi.
Emirimo ya polisi na n'omuntu owabulijjo community liaison officer
RCC wa Mbarara Lieutenant Colonel James Mwesije wabari omugenyi mukuru yatabarisya abajwe kwenyota kandi yabahiga gukoresa enyota ezo okuretaho enkoragana hamwe n'entunguka omupolisi.
I missed the other function, but everybody here has been promoted, and I want to congratulate everybody. And as they told you, promotions come with many things, but you come with many challenges. So these challenges that you are going to carry, get energies to manage them.
Try as much as possible to promote cooperation, because it is out of cooperation that you are going to get synergy. Synergize. Police work is essentially leaning on the assistance and cooperation of the wananchi.
Promotion comes with a responsibility, and I therefore implore you to not to relax, but rather to work hard for it.
Aba hona baashabwa kukuuma ekishushani kya polisi obwe barikwehara emicwe mibi nko kunywa amarwa, obushomankuzi n'ebindi. Abebembezi okurwa omusite abahika aha mukoro ogu batabarisya abagore abajwekwa kandi basima government okubateekateekaho.
Utafire nakozire kyafaayo during his time. Abapolisi kamutungire enyota batandikira aha.
I have been working with you, so I want to tell this congregation that the ranks attained are not by mistake.
Wabazwekwa harimo abaruga hidara rya rank ya AIP okuza hidara rya IP, abandi baruga ha rank ya sergeant okuza ha AIP, abandi baruga ha rank ya corporal okuza ha rank ya sergeant.
At this point in time, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to the IGP who chose us and we were promoted.
Thank you.
Gasha kwa Nagudi Fatima.